Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve the touchscreen sensitivity settings on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And now scroll down and select the display and touch tile. And then scroll down again. Underneath touch, you want to select where it says touch sensitivity. And then you can go ahead and walk through the steps on this little image here that'll then become interactive on your screen. And you also may want to enable the screen protector mode. If you have a screen protector, it'll increase your sensitivity settings when accounting for that on your Samsung smartphone by toggling this option on or off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.